Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe bafethu. Hugo Bros uphuzela utshwala nkosi yami omkhulu. Ziningi izinto ayikhulumayo bafethu, abantu they disagree with those things because of ziyabathinta, whether personally, ama-team, nami zikhona izinto anokukhuluma ngisho kudebo. Lo mkhulu kodwa wayengazama ukucurator izinto ukuthi akwazi ukuba yi-leader, at the same time akwazi ukuprotect ama-teams nama-players overall bafethu. So njengoba la siyambona uphethele iloni utshwala bakhe obuncane nase-stadium nje akatatazela uphuze utshwala bakhe. I remember this one time ngibukela i-interview kaPercy Tau a-complain-a ngaye bafethu Hugo Bros athi kunesikhathi la amangala khona ukuthi hayibo kodwa umkhulu angayisho kanjani into enje bafethu public, because of lento akumelanga ayisho at all bafethu, especially public akumelanga ayisho lento le, cause u-too vocal in a way. Mekaba vocal ukhuluma noma yini, mhlampe-ke isikhathi esiningi mekhuluma ne-media usuke ebuthintile kancane umkhulu, sikhumbule ukuthi una-70 something, mebuthinta namhlanje kuvuka obayizolo bafethu. But yeah, overall kumele simncome, he has really changed Bafana Bafana in terms of like getting ama-results nokumake sure nje ukuthi ubuilda i-team around abantu abathembayo, noma kuthiwa thina asivumelani nabantu labo abuilda i-team around bona laphana Hugo Bros, but-ke ubuilde i-winning team, like no one can dispute that. Akekho umuntu ongamphikisa at all ngalento le ukuthi ubuilde i-machine and then umake sure ukuthi iBafana Bafana they are respected yet again on the continental level, nanokuthi nje around the world mabekhuluma manje ngeBafana Bafana bayasho ukuthi okay, it's super competitive, they're not easily beaten or beatable. So i-team ngempela mawucabanga ukuthi uzodlala against yona, kumele nje ucabange kahle mawuya egamini against yona, because you know ukuthi i-team strong ngempela, highly competitive. Wenziwe ubani lokho Hugo Bros? Okay, we would love him to tone it down at times, but at the end of the day he's a man, and kumele asho into direct, angaloku acabangela abanye abantu kusama ukuthi izobathunuka. The way afila ngakhona ukuthi okay, he wants to speak like this, he is allowed to speak like that, as long as mhlampe is not attacking direct abantu abaningi or ebathuka, angakhuluma isinoma kanjani. So he's giving us a different perspective. Sikhumbule ukuthi Hugo Bros bafethu umuntu wakudala, so into nje beyibekwa straight, hayi lento lo ukuthi singakhulumi kanje, asikhulumeni kanje, ngoba namhlanje you talk about things and then abantu they take offense. Okay, mina umsebenzi wami la ukuthi ngibheke ngi-analyze ukuthi okay, ucoach usho into kanje, angicabangi ukuthi boku-right ukuthi akhulume kanje nakanje nakanje, especially manje because of indaba yakhe uvela focus ethimini eyodwa isikhathi esiningi in terms of ukusho izinto, and that's not a good thing overall ukuthi nje afocus ethimini eyodwa and then ayikhole out njalo, but anga-analyze like anga-judge ama-teams like fairly overall ukuthi okay, i-Kaizer Chiefs ayenze kahle, I'm not selecting them based on 1, 2, 3. Akawasho wonke ama-team, and then futhi akajaji let's say ama-player accordingly, not based on ukuthi ama-team wabo enza kanjani, because of hlezi ngisho ukuthi uyawaselect ama-team wako Swelele, bheka iSwelele ukuthi sikuphi this season bafethu, but esquadini iplayer like uSwelele hlezi li-present bafethu, right back yakuSwelele. But yeah, Hugo Bros ngcono ngoba uyabuthinta nkosi yami, akhulumeleke tando yakhe. Danko.